Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker here with RJ O'Brien on Wednesday, November 14th, with some commentary here in the energy market. So let's get started. What do we have going on here today? Well, let's do a recap here. Yesterday, we had these crude oil options expiring. Market was kind of quiet, mostly range bound between $85 to about $86 a barrel, hanging a little closer to the 85 area here. But all in all, I would say we had market consolidation going on, and I think we're getting follow through on that here this morning. Market's been kind of quiet. We've had highs of around 86, low just under $85 a barrel. We're off about 18 cents, trading around 85.20. The Brent firmer up, but not much, up about 36 cents right now, trading around 108.62. So give me a call. You want to talk about that Brent WTI spread? A lot of opportunities there. We could talk about entering exit points and how you can potentially play that. Moving on, let's take a look at the nat gas. Big day in nat gas yesterday. We were up about 13 cents. This morning here, a little bit of follow through. We're up about a penny to 2 pennies, trading around 3.75. So give me a call. You want to talk about that nat gas? We're going to have inventory numbers out on that tomorrow. I've got some ideas and some potential trading strategies there as well. Taking a look at the complex, a bit firmer. We've got the RBOB up right now, roughly about a penny at around 266.37. Heat's a little bit firmer, but only up about 63 ticks right now, roughly around 296 and a half area. So, what's moving oil today? Where can we look to anticipate possible price action at? Well, right now, we do have the dollar a bit weaker, and that's generally viewed as a positive thing for commodities, I think especially in the crude oil market. The equities market, mainly the S&P, which is something I like to keep an eye on. We've seen weakness there, but recently we've been in a consolidation mode and seems to be a little bit firmer here. We did have a little bit weaker data coming out of Europe here. The European industrial production data was off just a touch. I mentioned Greece yesterday, and they're kind of in the news again here today. Yesterday, the concern was, are they going to, be able to make their payment here, their loan repayment towards the end of this week? Today, it's looking a little bit more like they will. I personally, although they're having a lot of serious problems there, I do think there will be some follow through with that. I think personally, again, I think there's some behind the scenes maneuvering there to help them out. Although Greece's economy has been very sluggish, they don't really want to see them, drop out or be kicked out of the Euro zone, simply because I think that would just shake this boat too much. And things are already, if we saw better times, it might be an option. But right now, I think they want to try to keep things as stable as possible. Now, taking a look at the crude oil market and where I think prices are going to move from here, I'm looking for, I think, a firmer tone. I think we've got great market consolidation down here. I've talked about, the builds that we've seen, which we're going to have inventory numbers out here just a little bit later this morning. DOE numbers, looking for an expected build of about 2 million barrels. That seems to be the common reoccurring theme here. We know right now that we've got ample supplies out there. We know the demand remains sluggish. I think a lot of that's been factored into the market. That's part of why we've got price consolidation going on down here. I think, right now this morning, I'm looking to see a target here of about the 86.30 area. If we're successful and the market's able to cross over that, we could be targeting that $88 area. So, and then on from there, I think the market still has that potential to reach that 89.5 area. So we'll keep an eye out. We'll watch to see how today shapes up. Watch for those DOE numbers. If you'd like to get put on the distribution list, give me a call, shoot me an email. Be more than happy to add that to you. And I'd love to hear some feedback from you, any comments or suggestions. Give me a call, shoot me an email, that way I can incorporate some of your thoughts and ideas possibly into some of these video posts. So, of course, remember that futures trading is not necessarily suitable for all traders. It does involve a potential substantial amount of risk and loss. Good luck and good trading.